Hello and welcome. This is Haske-Tv News. My name is Berry Cletus. Thank you for joining us. On the news, for years, the EB local government secretariat remained in a deplorable state of disrepair. However, a major renovation is now underway, aimed at transforming the facility into a modern and conducive workspace for the local government staff. Farida Sanusi Abubakar was there and filed this report.
The chairman of Ibbi local government, Ilya Mohammed Ajibu, emphasized that the renovation is designed to enhance working conditions, ensuring that every department, including the ICT center, is fully equipped with modern tools and technology. This, he said, will enable staff to perform their duties more efficiently and improve service delivery to the people of Ibbi. The facelift will not only enhance the functionality of the secretariat but also include the establishment of a state-of-the-art ICT center, fostering digital transformation and strengthening governance at the grassroots level.
The work is ongoing in the secretariat, not even secretariat. The ICT unit there, we are done with it. The legislative council, we are done with it. And we went away to do some primary and secondary school, some renovation there, and we provided some chairs, desks. It is very pathetic. You see a student sitting on the bare floor, taking lesson, which is not the best. So we felt that as a human, we should come in and assist our children. They are the leaders of tomorrow.
Chairman Ajibu expressed optimism that the completed project will significantly boost the efficiency of local government operations. He also commended Governor Abu Keifas for his unwavering support in making the renovation a reality.
So we want to thank His Excellency more profoundly for his humanitarian gesture, and he gave us money to go and repair our offices, which the contract to some others, but the other side is still ongoing. Thank him very much sincerely for having us in mind to assist us.
The hope is that the revitalized Ibbi local government secretariat will serve as a model for other local councils, promoting greater efficiency and effectiveness in the public service. From Ibbi local government, Farida Sanusi Abubakar, Haske-Tv News.
Cholera outbreak in EB local government area of Taraba State has claimed 5 lives and left at least 230 people infected in the past 2 weeks. Health officials say the outbreak is linked to the lack of clean water as residents continue to rely on unsafe sources. Hasia Sanusi, who has just returned from the area, filed this report presented by Farida Haq.
The most affected areas include Serkin-Kudu, where 47 cases have been recorded, and Gishirin Hassan, where 28 people have fallen ill, with 1 fatality reported. The outbreak has spread rapidly, raising serious concerns about public health and sanitation in the region. The Director of Health in the local government, Abubakar Kufa, who confirmed the outbreak, warned that contaminated water and poor hygiene are fueling the spread of the disease.
And we have about total number of 230 cases here or hereabout, and we also registered about 3 to 5 deaths from the condition. We first noticed the cases of outbreak in Gasol and Bukari, then before it spilled over to Ibi local government, and the cause may be due to food poisoning, because it's a fecal oral disease caused by contamination of either food or water with the cholera-causing organisms.
In response, the Ibbi local government chairman, Ilya Mohammed Ajibu, and the member representing Ibbi in the State House of Assembly, Honorable Zakari Sanusi Wakili, have intensified efforts to contain the outbreak. The in charge of Gishirin Hassan Primary Healthcare, Mohammed Suleiman, has this to say on the issue.
Cholera sakamakon rashin ruwa ne mai kyau. Rashin ruwa mai kyau ya kawo wannan cholera ya faru. To amma rashin ruwa mai kyau din ruwan da muke da shi ruwa ne wanda baya gudu.
Authorities stress that while emergency response measures are in place, access to clean water is crucial to ending the crisis. The situation remains critical and further government intervention is expected in the coming days. Farida Haq, Haske-Tv News.
The Nigerian Union of Teachers (NUT) has held an emergency state congress in Jalingo, bringing together delegates from the 16 local government areas of Taraba State, a meeting that was aimed to decide a venue or location for the next general election, which eventually Sadona local government was selected. The report.
The state chairman, Comrade Solomon Nathan, who also serves as vice president of the Taraba State Labour Congress, urged delegates to ensure accurate information reaches their localities.
I want to saddle you with this responsibility. Make sure every information you get from the state reach your branches. We are having problem here at the state because most of our communication do not reach them at the grassroots.
Emphasizing transparency and effective communication between teachers and the government. He addressed concerns over misinformation on social media regarding teachers' salaries, warning against the spread of unverified news.
To see people writing what they don't know, posting them out there. Actually, we know that we've not received our pay, but this is not a state issue. It has to do with the federal government. The issue of autonomy, court injunction, that has ordered the central bank not to release the money as it is now. So I want to plead with our teachers that go on air anytime there's little delay to make findings. We are their leaders. We can't lie to them. We are here for them. We are standing in the gap for them. So they should believe whatever we tell them that this is the situation. They should believe that. But once they don't believe that and start going on air, they are adding more problem to us. Because once the government sees that and gets angry, it will be tough on us to get what we want for our teachers.
Comrade Nathan clarified that the key issue was not the amount paid but the timely disbursement of salaries, which boosts teachers' morale and productivity.
They are supposed to get that, and they should be given at the appointed time, at the due time. Teachers labor like any. In fact, there's no group of individuals in civil servant that work as teachers, but still they are paid less. We're not complaining of the little we are receiving. We are complaining of the delay in the payment.
In recognition of his leadership, Comrade Solomon was honored with a portrait and a nickname Starboy Jr., celebrating his dedication to teachers' welfare in Taraba State. Delegates resolved to make the Congress an annual event with future venues to be announced after each meeting. Barry Cletus, Haske-Tv News.
We'll now take a break. When we return, Haske-Tv News will continue. Please stay with us. Welcome back. If you're just joining us, this is still Haske-Tv News with Barry Cletus, and now the news continues. The Nigerian Optometry Association Taraba State chapter has advised Nigerians to go for regular eye checkups to avoid loss of vision. This was emphasized at an event held to commemorate the World Optometry Week in Jalingo, Taraba State, Northeast Nigeria. Haske-Tv correspondent Ahmed Abubakar reports.
It is estimated that about 2.2 billion people are suffering from vision impairment globally, and that is a serious threat to the well-being of the eye. The event was aimed at commemorating the World Optometry Week to sensitize the public on the dangers associated with the eye diseases. The gathering was informed of the causes, prevalence, consequences, mitigating and preventing the eye infections, especially the glaucoma, cataract, corneal opacity, among others. Dr. Grace Ahams is the chairperson of the state chapter of the Nigerian Optometric Association and the head of optometry department at the Specialist Hospital Jalingo.
The significance of this event is the bringing to light World Optometry Week, which really focuses on letting people know about this profession, a noble profession called optometry. As optometrist, or as an optometrist, I'm a trained eye care professional that examines the eyes, able to detect disorders of vision, defects of your eye health, and able to make necessary treatments and management protocol as necessary.
She called on Nigerians to imbibe the culture of going for frequent eye check-up even when there are no symptoms of the infection. In attendance were principal officers from the state government, the Federal Medical Center Jalingo, medical professionals, representatives of the Federal Road Safety Corps and NDLEA, as well as the Nigerian Bar Association, who pledged partnership support. Participants at the event spoke to Haske-Tv News.
So, as a matter of fact, this workshop has been so rich, and I feel that it will take it seriously. And in fact, one of the things they emphasize is the issue of always putting our eyes on a computer or laptop or handset. Some people spend the whole of the day, putting their eyes on the computer. The emphasis is that we should ask, even when you look at your computer, try to look outside at a distance, briefly give your eyes sometime a look before you come back to the computer.
Personally, I learned I should frequently check my eye. And within me, I told myself every year I'll make sure I go for eye checkup, take my kids to check their eyes to prevent any eye impairment.
I've learned a lot. I've never expected I would learn. I'm a student of science, but definitely I've learned a lot of things about optometrics and dietitians. In fact, there are so many things that are known by that are unknown by many people. But if this program will be on yearly basis as it has been done, I think it will go a long way in making the program a success.
So many individuals assume to have no eye infections without consulting optometrists because they experience no symptoms when the cases of eye problems are only detected through diagnosis. Ahmed Abubakar, Haske-Tv News.
Today marks the International Day of Autism, a global initiative aimed at raising awareness and promoting understanding of autism spectrum disorder. Dr. Mike, a specialist at the Federal Medical Center at Jalingo, has urged the public to observe these important days and raise awareness about the neurodevelopmental disorder. Nancy Yusuf reports.
Dr. Mike explained that autism is a condition related to the brain, typically identified in early childhood. He highlighted that signs of autism may include a lack of eye contact, delayed responses to names, and difficulties in social interaction. He emphasized that nutritional deficiencies could also contribute to the development of autism in some cases.
Autism is most times is a congenital problem. It's a neurological problem. It has to do with improper. Is a neurological problem that comes with comes in children. Most times, autistic children are hyperactive and they have developmental problems. So most times you handle them with care and you need a therapist to take care of them.
Autism spectrum disorder affects the way individuals communicate, interact with others, and perceive the world. People with autism may struggle with verbal and nonverbal communication, social cues, and building relationships. Dr. Mike stressed the importance of early intervention and support to help individuals with autism lead fulfilling and independent lives. The Day of Autism serves as a reminder to continue working toward an inclusive society where those with autism can thrive without stigma or discrimination. The International Day of Autism is not only a time to raise awareness, but also an opportunity to promote understanding and acceptance of people with autism worldwide. Farida Haq, Haske-Tv
And that's
News.
the news on behalf of the production team. My name is Berry Cletus. Invite you to stay tuned for our subsequent programs. From me is goodbye.